Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is another one-stop watch number 8. You guys, my potatoes and garlic are doing so well, and if you are new to my channel, this is the first time that I have ever grown potatoes, and this is my second attempt at garlic. Now looking at what's going on so far, it looks like I might have some success. Alright you guys, let's talk about this mint. This is week 18 mint, okay? And it really wants to go to seed. And it looks like I'm gonna just have to let nature take this course because I don't want it to be a stick in a pod, and I don't want to, I don't know. So I'm just gonna let it do what it do, and worst case scenario, I have to just regrow another one. Best case scenarios, I have some seeds. I'm moving on to week 20 mystery seed, and you guys, look how big the mystery seed is getting now. It has been pollinated, and I truly believe it is a spaghetti squash. Alright you guys, let's get into week 19 corn and cucumber in the milk crate. Now, the corn is pretty much gone, okay? The cucumber, on the other hand, is doing good, you guys, and hopefully I should be getting some new ones soon. Moving on to week 23 seedlings, and you guys, look at my tomatoes. It is leafless. Okay, it has some leaves, but overall it's leafless. But I have some tomatoes, and so yeah. I had to tie the tomatoes to the steak so that way it won't be all on a lean. Now this is the crate with the onions and tomatoes, and I'm just showing you the one little thing that's supposed to be an onion. But this is the crate with the tomatoes and basil. Next is the ginger. I also have ginger grown in the same pot as the mystery seed. You guys, let's talk about my herb garden, which consists of lettuce, kale, thyme, and spinach. Nowadays, it just looks like succulents in a pot. Here I'm trying to show the thyme that is left. Now I'm going to zoom in on a succulent that used to be kale. Moving on to the cauliflower, and it is still hanging in there after being ate to a stem twice, going on 3 times. You guys, look at my sugar baby watermelon. I hope that it was pollinated. I'm so excited to get some watermelon this year, you guys. There go another sugar baby watermelon over there in the pot with the radishes that I'm letting go to seed. You guys, I have some more habanero peppers that are ripe and is looking good. Now these peppers are in a tower with the eggplants, and look at my eggplants, guys. It's getting bigger. I'm not sure if that's been pollinated or not, but this one has been. And it's another one over there on the other side. So if you made it this far in the video, please consider joining the fam by subscribing, and don't leave just yet because there is a harvest time. You guys, you ready to harvest with me? Let's see what we got. Well, this is it, you guys. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, click here.